All right, we're at it, trying to fix something again. This is the Predator 3500 inverter generator. Wasn't getting spark, couldn't get it started. Tried a bunch of stuff, changed the spark plug, wasn't it. Took this side piece off. It's the one that's a little harder to get off. You got to take the wheels off and everything. Pull that off. What you'll see right here, it's a coil control module. Looks like this. Coil control module. Has two plugs. Plugs in right here and here. And what happens is oil. If you get oil sitting in here, if you open yours up and you see that there's all kinds of oil on here, it probably is this piece. I would replace this and see if you get a spark. This thing is only 20 bucks on Amazon, and just look it up. Look up for your specific generator. Look up a coil control module. Easy fix, and she starts now. Hey!